200 grams of wet flour. Ginger crispy fries, black olives, and just a pinch of salt. Red beans, onion, oil, sugar, and celery. This is my tasty cooking show.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cooking with Shanshan. Today what I'm going to make is one of the signature dishes from Chongqing, which is a city that I'm from, and Chongqing is famous for its creation of hot pot. Maybe in the future, if you guys are interested, I can share with you guys how I make hot pot at home. But today what I'm going to make is Chongqing Spicy Chicken with dried red chili. This dish is known for its numbing, spicy, aromatic flavors. It goes well with rice, and it can be used as a little snack that it goes with liquor. Not sure if I should mention drinking, but anyway, so hope you guys like this recipe, and let's get started. Well, to start, I'm going to take some chicken thigh meat out. I'm going to use about 2 pounds of meat today, and usually in Chongqing we use whole chicken with bone in, but to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to use chicken thigh without bone in. And it's tender, right? So what I'm going to do is just to simply slice it into tiny bits and marinate with a bunch of seasonings. And yeah, so that will be the first step. Let's get started. In terms of the size of the chicken thigh meat, it should be anywhere maybe between 1 to 2 centimeters across. That way it will be easier for the marinade process. Once we finished slicing all the chicken thigh meat, we're going to marinate them with the following seasonings. And the use of the egg yolk is actually to get this nice golden coloring in the chicken meat, and also the potato starch is to tenderize the meat, so you have crispy outside and a tender inside texture. While the chicken meat is being marinated, we're going to prepare some ingredients for the dish, such as green onion, garlic, and ginger. Also, we're going to cut some dried red chili and throw a bunch of Sichuan peppercorn in there, so you have this spicy, numbing, aromatic flavor into it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is just to simply put a generous amount of oil in a pot and kind of deep fry the chicken thigh meat that I have marinated here. This is to get it like this crispy taste outside and a tender texture inside. Okay. Now when you put the chicken in the oil, remember to separate them. Just to put them in one at a time so they do not stick. Now we simply deep fry the chicken for a few minutes until they turn brownish on medium heat, and then simply take them out, put them back in again for a second fry until they turn completely golden brown. Alright guys, here's the final step. I'm going to add like small amount of oil in the pan, and then simply put diced garlic, ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, and cut dried chili in there for 30 seconds or so. Finally, we're going to add the deep fried chicken in there, stir fry a little bit, and then season it with some salt, sesame oil, and chicken powder, and then garnish with chopped green onion. There you have it, Chongqing Spicy Chicken. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so that was the recipe for Chongqing Spicy Chicken. Again, it has this numbing spicy aromatic flavors into it, and also people sometimes add sesame seeds in it, which is also cool. It goes really well with rice or beer, right? Oh my gosh, I need a beer right now. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and please give it a thumbs up if you liked my video, and please subscribe and share. I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye.